Maraming salamat, Panginoon, dahil sa mga nagdaang panahon ay hindi ka nagbabago, Lord. Tunay na ang pagmamahal mo sa bawat isa ay tapat, Panginoon. And you show us to be our Father. Ikaw, Panginoon, aming Diyos. Ikaw ang aming maaasahan. You are the God whom we can trust, Lord. And because we can trust, we obey. At dahil sa pag-obey na ito, Panginoon, we know that there is a blessing. That is why we encourage everyone to trust and obey our Lord. When we walk with the Lord in the light of His word, what a glory He shares on our way. While we do His good will, He abides with us still, and we know who will trust and obey. Trust and obey, for there's no other way to be happy in Jesus, but to trust and obey. Not a shadow of doubt when we trust and we obey our God. Not a shadow can rise, not a cloud in the skies, but His smile quickly drives it away. Not a doubt nor a fear, not a sign or a tear can abide while we trust and obey. Trust and obey, for there's no other way to be happy in Jesus, but to trust and obey. It's so sweet to have fellowship, Panginoon. And in fellowship sweet, we will sit at His feet, or we'll walk by His side in the way. What He says we will do, where He says we will go. Never fear, only trust and obey. Trust and obey, well there's no other way to be happy in Jesus, but to trust and obey. Trust and obey, for there's no